Prioritizing trust, the key to successful relationships. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that resonates with every aspect of our lives: prioritizing trust. Trust is the foundation of all healthy relationships, whether personal or professional. Understanding and applying the concept of prioritizing trust can significantly impact how we interact with others. So, let's explore what it means to prioritize trust and how it can transform our connections. Trust is the belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. When we talk about prioritizing trust, we're referring to the conscious effort to build, maintain, and value trust as a cornerstone of our relationships. It involves being reliable, truthful, transparent, and open in our interactions. Trust is not given lightly. It is earned through consistent actions over time. Trust is crucial because it creates a safe environment where people feel valued, understood, and secure. In personal relationships, trust deepens emotional connections, fostering a sense of intimacy and bonding. Professionally, trust enhances teamwork, communication, and overall productivity. When trust is prioritized, conflicts are resolved more effectively. People are more willing to share ideas and take risks. There's a stronger commitment to mutual goals. Building trust doesn't happen overnight. It requires honesty, always speak the truth and keep your promises. Integrity, act ethically and consistently, even when no one is watching. Vulnerability, be willing to share your thoughts and feelings openly. Accountability, take responsibility for your actions, especially when things go wrong. Consistency, show up and act reliably over time. Sometimes, trust is broken, but it's not always the end of a relationship. Rebuilding trust is challenging but possible with acknowledgement of the breach. Recognize and admit to the mistake. Sincere apology. Offer a genuine apology that acknowledges the impact of your actions. Patience. Understand that regaining trust takes time and that the other party may need space. Consistent behavior. Demonstrate through actions that you have changed and are committed to rebuilding trust. In conclusion, prioritizing trust is vital for nurturing strong, resilient relationships. By understanding what trust means, why it matters, and how to build and rebuild it, we can improve our interactions and connections with others. Remember, trust is a precious commodity in any relationship. Treat it with care, and always strive to be someone others can rely on. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you prioritize trust in all your relationships. See you in the next video.